Good morning, traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So Wednesday's beautiful bullish bar. It actually got no meaning in this context, and we have another move to the downside. So just looking at that picture there, it is still a horrible picture. It's not something that I want to actually get involved in, and the trend is up. We can't deny that. We are making higher highs, we are making higher lows. This trend is up. It is in a typical DAX fashion in a channel. There's the channel, but yeah, it's damn difficult to trade this kind of setup at the moment. So we've had a pullback and closed one of the daily gaps. There are quite a few gaps lower down. We're in a channel. We've come back to test, well, to find an area of support, which is down here. Okay, pretty much null and void as far as I'm concerned. There's nothing really here I want to be trading. This is looking at the US markets. There's a lot of I won't say confusion, but with the Nasdaq setting off like it did yesterday, there's a lot of questions. You know, what sparked that? Because that is one of the biggest days down, or one of the biggest sell-offs since March on the Nasdaq. So you know. Is it March all over again? Is it just profit taking? Something spooked the market. You know, what was it? So looking at price, and I think that's where we're going to get our answers. I think confusion still reigns, specifically on the DAX. I'm really not interested in trading this, to be honest. It doesn't give me any confidence at the moment that we have something building or something worth trading at the moment. So if we start dropping below these kind of levels here of 12.842, I would expect us to start getting a bigger move to the downside. So I just want to line this up with that and just come back and see. And do that. So that's the underside of the range, the channel. Sorry. So being the underside of the channel, and we've got quite a bit of support to the left here. I'd want to see us break below this area here before I even start considering shorts. So that's 12.842. Up until that time, I think I will be taking a long weekend. I don't see anything on the DAX that's worth trading. This may be looking for a reversal back to the upside, looking at this pattern. So this pattern here, and we're on the 15-minute now. So if you're going to trade the 15-minute, you need to look for 15-minute levels to take profit, and that will be up here somewhere. In actual fact, a little bit lower, because that would be the wedge target. So it is a falling wedge. It's a break and retest of this level here at 12.989. Should get you a move back up to 13.179. 13.179, if you start getting bearish price action off there, I would be inclined to believe to take a short there for a move to the downside. But it is Friday. There's no ways I'm holding shorts on any of these markets overnight. So as far as I'm concerned, shorts are still scalps right now until we get some major trend reversals and some signals indicating that. Okay. So yeah, I think personally for me, probably not going to be trading this today. I think I'd be wiser just to stay out of the indexes. I'm going to have a look at the forex markets now and see if there's something there. But I'd rather keep my money in my pocket and wait for Monday and see what structure brings us on Monday. Anyway, guys, hope that helps you somewhat, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.